Hi, hello, what's up? So, this is a Sunday vlog, and I would like to preface this video by saying that no, I don't do all of these things every Sunday, but yes, I am trying to do it because as I am moving closer to my CA final and like my articleship is ending, I really want to focus more on a balanced lifestyle. Late, I have been noticing my lack of movement and how it is affecting my life, and I really want to fix that as well. So, this was a Sunday where I was like trying to do it all. Like, you'll see what all I did in the Sunday, and for the content part, I shot this vlog. So, I really hope you enjoy. Hi, guys. So, I've just woken up and I wanted to do a Sunday in my life. So that's what this vlog is going to be about. So I am getting ready for something new, exciting and pretty scary, and that is my first Pilates class. I can't believe I'm saying this. I feel so American. I know it's been in India for a while, but I think it's fairly new in Kolkata. So I am excited about that. This is just a trial class to see if I want to continue. I'm wearing this top, and it's so ironic how I showed this exact top in I think my first ever vlog, and it still has the tags on, and that just really shows how much I need to work out because this is not okay. In general, I have gained a bit of weight, and I just really need to work out. My lifestyle has become so sedentary, and it's not okay. Like I can actually feel how my fitness level is deteriorating, and that's so bad. I don't know, that just gives me health scares for some reason. So I am ready for my Pilates class, and I'm already running late, and I'm so hungry. I literally wake up starving. So I'm going to have some peanut butter on bread, and I'm going to show you what my favorite peanut butter is. I'm obsessed with this. I would just eat spoonfuls of this peanut butter if I could. Say hi. Hi. So it's been a while since I came back. I have oil in my hair and I'm making coffee. I have started this new thing where I have gotten Blue Tokai coffee, and I make it in this French press. And I don't think I have perfected it yet, but I'm getting there, and yeah, I think it tastes really great, but I don't really get time to do this every day, so this is kind of one of the weekend activities. This is looking so fluffy. It's just milk, and this is a cup that I got recently. It's so cute, but it's too big. I'm just pressing down the coffee. It's okay, but like it's not like strong enough, and sometimes when I make it, it becomes too strong. So I'm very new to this, and I'm yet to find a perfect like ratio. At lunch around 2 p.m., and then I doom scrolled a little bit. By a little bit, I mean an hour. But I have been studying ever since, thank God. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to study, and I'm going to include a time lapse for you to enjoy because I find them very satisfying. Hi guys, so I am making dinner right now, and I've taken it upon myself to try to make it in 20 minutes. I don't usually cook, but I love cooking. So I cook whenever I get the chance, and today is a chance because the cook hasn't come today. So yeah, I'm cooking. I'm making herb rice with creamy sauce. So hopefully it will turn out good, and hopefully it will get done within 20 minutes. These are all my ingredients. This is a meal for three, so that's why the quantity. And the corn is a bit too much, but I keep snacking on it, so it won't be a problem. So was I able to make the dinner in 20 minutes? Absolutely not. It took me 1 hour. And part of that was not my problem because the gas kept on switching off. So, there was a lot of hassle in that. And then I decided to like grill some paneer as well. So that took an extra 10 minutes and whatever. But it was good. The gravy could have been better. But it was good overall. So that's nice. Now I'm trying to study again, but before that, let me show you my to-do list. This is the list that I've been making for 1 week now, I think. And on today's list, we had exercises and exercise or Pilate, that is done. Then we had shampoo plus hair mask, that is also done. I was stuck on this class for a while because I just got bored, but I finally completed that. In audit, I have completed one class and like half of the second class. And if you are new here and if you are not a CA student, this audit is a subject which we have in CA final. So I was just doing classes of that. So I wanted to do 3 classes of audit today, but right now I am at 2.5. So let's see if I am able to do 3. I really want to because I really cannot waste time. I really cannot afford it. So yeah, that's my day, and now I'm going to start studying again. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please let me know what should I make videos on next, because I'm always running out of video ideas. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.